Hello! Hello guys, in today's video,
You'll be a scientist.
I'll be a scientist. I am a scientist.
We don't have burger bones.
Okay,
That was in the video.
sorry, my dad's talking. Shut up.
I don't know. Look in the cabinet.
So, this is our volcano. It looks kind of small, doesn't it? Oh, and I forgot. Here's my mom.
Hi. Okay.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is pour a little bit of this in there.
Pour a little bit of this into the plate. Just like that.
So what are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
No way. You're making it look like it's a volcano, an undersea volcano.
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's an undersea volcano, see?
I don't see anything. I'm blind.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's cover it
What are we
all.
doing now?
Now,
Draw up some citric acid. Solution for the pipelet to drop into the volcano. It erupts red lava and changes colors.
there we go.
Here we go. That's our citric acid.
Get ready to put it onto this right here.
Here we go. Oh, looky there. It's
Whoa.
erupting.
More. Whoa, cool.
Amazing. How's that for a volcano?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.